Welcome to the Starting with Web Client video. This video shows you how to navigate in the home page and personalize your home page design to optimize your web client experience. The web client is part of SAP Business One. I access it directly from the desktop client by using the web client icon in the toolbar or the web client entry in the main menu. I choose a company and enter my SAP Business One username and password. No additional license is needed. On the left side, I see the main menu including the modules. I search using the search box. For example, order. Clicking the titles focuses on the respective group or module. I can also scroll down or up. The enterprise search is available in the SAP HANA version only. I can search a value within a specific object or in general. I click the back button to switch to the previous screen. Clicking the SAP Business One logo brings me to the home page. Clicking the question mark icon opens the Help pane and SAP Companion. Clicking an item on the list shows the info about the specific element on the screen. Here, I can also launch relevant videos, access guides, and open the Learn SAP Business One web client website for additional content about the web client. No credentials are needed. In the Help pane, I access guided tours. The What's New section is updated with every release. The bell icon opens the Notification Center. The red badge shows the number of new notifications. The notifications are grouped by date or by priority. On the very right side, the vertical menu listing all available modules and groups. This is a flat list that also includes user-defined objects, UDOs, and user-defined tables, UDTs. Clicking an entry takes me to the respective group. Let's go back to the home page. Each tile opens an app. The Create Tiles opens a form of the respective group in Create mode for adding a new record. This is the form for creating new sales quotations. The object named Tiles open List view, displaying the records of the given object. Looking closer at the tile itself, I see the number of currently opened sales quotations. Clicking the Refresh button updates this number in case additional documents were added or others were closed or canceled. Every user sees different collection of tiles on their home page. Depends on the user authorization. I am currently logged in as a super user and see all the available tiles and groups. Now let's see how to personalize the home page. I can drag tiles to new locations or use the Edit Home Page option for many more actions. I can hide a complete group or module if I don't use it. I can move a tile to a selected group. I can add a tile to an existing group by clicking the plus icon and choosing the required tile from the catalog. To complete the action, I click Close. Now I see the changes I made. The tile Create Sales Order is added to the Business Partners group. I will switch again to Edit mode to make more changes. I click Show to bring back the Purchasing group, and in the Business Partners group, I click Reset to undo any changes made to this group. This will remove the Create Sales Order tile I have added. I can rename groups to better fit my industry or terminology used. Here, I change to Customers and Vendors. I can add a new group where relevant and position there the tiles I want. But I don't really need it, so I'll delete it. Now let's open the App Finder. This is a catalog of all available apps in their predefined groups. I can navigate through the list, but I can also use the search box. Let's see if there are any bill of materials related apps. Apparently, there are two. I can click the pin icon to select the group for adding the app, or even create a new group. Here I see the app is already positioned in production. I could add it to additional groups if relevant. If you feel the home page is too crowded and you rather see small chunks of tile at the time, this can be done. I open the Settings option. In the Home Page tab, I choose the Show One Group at a Time option. After saving, I see that home page is switched to horizontal navigation, one group at a time. Let's get back to the vertical layout. In the Settings dialog, under Appearance, I can change the display theme. High contrast theme is also supported for better accessibility. I will now switch back to Horizon. Like the desktop client, the web client also supports multiple UI languages. Here I can choose the UI language. I will keep English for now. If you want to change the font size, you may use the web browser Zoom In/Out options. This was the Starting with Web Client video. Thanks for watching.